Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Dandelion tea is an excellent source of potassium, a mineral and electrolyte that stimulates the heartbeat. Potassium may help the kidney filter toxins more effectively and improve blood flow. The polysaccharides in dandelion are known to reduce stress on the liver and support its ability to produce bile. 19 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Plus, dandelion is a diuretic, which can throw off your body's water balance and increase your need for bathroom breaks. If you opt for the tea, Brown suggests starting with 1 cup in the morning and then, if desired, going to 2 to 3 cups a day over the next couple of weeks. 2 September 2019.
Take our lead.
Drinking dandelion tea may aid weight loss in many ways. For instance, the potassium in dandelion can act as a diuretic and increase daily urine output. This leads to a decrease in water weight, which may be helpful if you're feeling bloated or retaining water for some reason. 28 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Dandelion tea may help with mild digestive symptoms, such as bloating or occasional constipation. Dandelion can stimulate the liver to produce bile, which can indirectly help with constipation. Dandelion tea can also act as a diuretic in the body, adding more water to the digestive system and the stools.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Dandelion roots are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, cholagogue, choleretic, deobstruent, discutient, hepatic, hypnotic, purgative, and sedative. Dandelion leaves are antacid, antioxidant, febrifuge, hypotensive, restorative, and vulnerary.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.